the lightning show. I'm on my back porch now. The winds have calmed down. All right, let's hope this stuff blows over, no problem.